Tajib sir, and today we are learn the maths. Okay, so now let's see first the today's thought. What is the today's thought? We are first read the thoughts, and then we are going the further on our study. Okay, so now let's check here the today what is the thought of today's. Success is achieved and maintained by those who are trying and keep trying. It means a success is achieved and maintained by. It means what? Success is achieved and maintained by what? Somebody is got success and achieve the success. So maintain. How can we maintain? Those who people try and keep trying. What? Those who are people got the achieve success. Who people are achieve the success? Those people are try and keep trying to the success. Okay, so now I move on the question number. Which question number we have done, students? We have left the question number second, exercise number first words, exercise number second E, question number 5, and last question number 4. So first of all, what we have done yesterday, now we see here. I am telling you these things, but first of all, yesterday we are done in last sessions number families, regrouping, subtracting 3-digit number. What? Number family, regrouping, subtracting 3-digit numbers. Okay, students, can you tell me what is a number family? You know. Okay, can you remember all this topic? Yes. Okay, number family is what? Addition numbers, 3 numbers addition, fact. Okay, facts, addition facts or subtraction facts. So yesterday we have done the addition fact and a subtraction fact. So students, so now further we are going to which topic yesterday? Regroup it. First we complete the number family, then after we move on the regrouping. So what first in a regrouping, what we are learning in a regrouping? In a regrouping we are learn the what is a regrouping, and then further we are what is a regrouping and how can we use the regrouping? We don't know, but yesterday we learned the how can we take the borrow, and how can we know, and where or when we take the regrouping. Understood? So subtracting 3-digit number, and then what we have learned, students? Subtracting 3-digit number. So students, yesterday's topic is what? How many topics is yesterday? 3 topics. Number family. What? Number family. Speak with me all students. Number family, regrouping, subtracting 3-digit number. Understood? Number families, regrouping, subtracting 3-digit number. Okay, so in today what we are going to learn, students? Today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn what? Revision. Okay, students, I hope you understood betterly, but again and again we are all students revise the what? Step of the problem solving. What? Again and again we are a revise or a revision of a step of problem solving, because of problem solving is coming to a till last chapter. That's why, and problem is also applying in our daily life. That's why what we are given the second application in real life. So first of all we are do the revision. Okay, which revision? Okay, so first of all we are orally without any data, without books, we are what? Remember this all topics. So what is the first topic of what is the first step of problem solving, student? The first step is what? Read the problems and understand the question. What is the first step, students? Speak with me all students. Read the question and understand the problems. Okay, otherwise what we are speak, read the problems and understand the question. Both are correct, understood? And then now what is the second step? Second step is what? Find the information. What? Find the information. Find the information, otherwise collect the data. Okay, information is like a slash, that time we are put the slash, and what I'm writing that time? Data. Data or informations, both are correct words. Okay, so second step is what? Find the data or find the information. Find the data or find the information. Okay, and what is the third step? Solve the problems. But in what we have forgot here, what to do now? Okay, what to do now? Step number is 3. What? Let's think that time we are solving the problems. What to do, and then after solve the problems and give the answer. And last step is what? Check your answer. How can we check? Cross checking as a, okay, as like that. So again I am revise you all students. Step number 1 is what? Read the problems and understand the question. What all students, what is the first step? Read the question and understand the problem. And second step is what? Find the information. What? Find the information. Second step is find the information. Then after third point is what to do. So that time we are what? We are thinking that what to do. Okay, that time we are revise the what to do. Understood? What to do. And fourth point is what? Solve the problems. Solve the problems. And 5 question step 5 is what? Check your answer. Okay, again and again I am revising, again and again I am repeating you for you all students. Okay, again now we are repeating. Okay, all students repeating with me. First step is what? First step is what? First step is read the problem and understand the question. What students? Read the problems and understand the question. Okay, read the problem and understand the question. Okay, anyhow we learn this all steps, 5 steps. Anyhow we learn and anyhow we remember this all step during the solving a problem. So now which time is now here? Exercise number second E. But we have left one sum. Which sum is that? The sum is that solve a word problems, but solve the following. But that time we have no time. So only we are solve only 3 questions. So today now we complete this question number 4, and we are going to move exercise number second G. Okay, so students, revision step of revision. Okay, or revision step of the problem solving. So again we are repeat 2 times with me. What? Read the problems and answer. Read the problems and understand the question. Okay, read the problems, understand the question. Read the problems and understand the question. Okay, second is what? Second is this, find the information. What? Find the information. Find the information. Third is what? What to do. What to do. What to do. Then after step number 4 is what? Solve the problems, write the answer. Okay, and then step number 5 is what? Check your answer. What? Check your answer. Okay, I hope you all are students remember the all questions. Okay, I hope you all are learn this all steps and remember all these steps, and you are all right in your fair book. Okay, so now let's students start the complete our exercise number second E, and then we move on the exercise number second D. So first of all students, exercise number second E. Okay, question number 5. What we are doing in day after last lecture. So question number 4 we have a left. Okay, question number D. 4 means what? Question number 4 is left. So what is the question? Solve the following. Okay, but which exercise? Exercise second E. So that time. So now we are complete the exercise number second D, question number 4. Okay, so I am here reading the what? I am reading here the full. I am reading here the question. Okay, students. One more things again and again I am telling you that time, students, you are always write the only answer. No need to write the question. Okay. Always I am telling you in my lecture, because of some students write the questions. So beta, no need to write the whole question. You have to write only the answer as like that. Okay, you have a right. This is your question answer number 1. So now first let's see here. The Mehtas went on a holiday. Who is a Mehtas? Mehtas a name of the family, means a couple or a family's name. Okay, Mehtas. The Mehtas went to on a holiday to the Coimbatore. Where they go? They go Coimbatore on a holiday. Sorry, on the first day. Okay, on the first day they went to a holiday. On the first day of the holiday, they spent 1,245. Okay, they spent on the first day they spent 1,245. Understood, all students? 1,245. What? 1,245. 1,200. I am repeating you because of this. What is this? Is our data. Okay. Then over the next 2 days. First day is gone, and then after next 2 days, second day and third day. Okay. So over the next 2 days they spent 2,457. How many they spent? 2,457. How many rupees they spent? 2,457. And on the last day they spent 980 only. Okay, so first day is complete, and next 2 means 2 and third means 3 days are spent already. Okay, that time is how much he spent the money? 1,245. And next 2 and 3 days 2,457. Okay, and on the last day they spent 9,080. How much money did they spend in all? Understood? So that's why all students properly read the question again and understand the problem. Means read the problems and understand the what is problems or question. Okay, so again I am reading here. Okay, the main question is what, but we forgot here. How much money did they spend in all? Okay, how much money did they spend in all? The Mehtas went on holiday to Coimbatore. On the first day they spent 1,245. Over the next 2 days they spent 2,457. And on the last day they spent 980. So how much money did they spend in all? What? How much money did they spend in all? So what we ever do here, students? Okay, students, I think we are learned the first step of the problem solving. So now here we are perform the first step. What? हम लोगों ने read कर चुका. Okay, then after what we are doing here? Understand the question. So we already understood the question. What is the question? Because of Mehta's family went to the holiday, and first day they spent how much? 1,245. And next day Mehta's family next and third days spent how much? 2,457. And on the last day they spent 9,080. How much they spent on the last day? 9,080. Okay, so question is what, students? Now we understand properly question. How much money did they spend in all? So now what to do, students? Now find the data. Find the data means what? Data, informations. What? Information. So Mehta's family. Okay, we have find the, okay, first day they spent how much they spent on first day. How much? 1245. It's our first data. Okay, and then after next 2 days they spent how much? 2457. Okay, on the last day they spent how much? On the last day they spent how much? 980. Okay, so now it's our data, it's our information. So what to do now? Third step is what to do now? Second step is what? Second step is find the information. So we already got the information. Okay, now we move on the directly answer. How can we write? Okay, as per I told you write the details. How can we solve? First day they spent 1245. Next 2 days they spent 2457, and last day they spent 980. So what to do? Total we are find here how much in old days. Okay, old days, ALL, old days, how much Mehta's family spent the old days money. Okay, so what we are doing here? We are doing here the we are doing here the additions, because of what question is what? How much spend all days money. Okay, so now we write here the addition as like a step by step. 1245 1045 and then plus 2457 plus 980. Okay, one by one all step. This is first step, this is second, and this is third step. 1245, then 2457, and then this 918. Okay, so now we are solve here the addition. 5 minus 7. Oh, here minus symbols, no, here additions. Okay, don't do these mistakes. 5 minus 7, minus again, no, 5 plus 7, exactly. 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7. Students, you are do your with your fingers. 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7, so how many? 12. So I am writing here a 2 and 1, so 12. 5 minus 7 is equal to 12. Okay, so answer is what coming, all students? 2 here and 1 carry. Okay, that then after we are at this second row is which row is, all student? 10th place. Okay, 10th place all. So 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, how many? 10. 10 plus 8, so 10 plus 8, so students how many? 18. So 8 here and 1 carry forward. Understood? So 8 we are writing here, 8 and 1 carry forward. Okay, then after we are again do the solve the question. 9 plus this one 10, 10 plus 4, 10 plus 4 14, and 14 plus 2, 14 plus 2. So how many 14 plus 2, all students? 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. So 16. So 16 is right as like that. 6 here and 1 carry forward. Okay, 6 here and 1 carry forward. Okay, then after 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2, how many? 4. Okay, got it my point, all students? 4 plus okay, 1 plus 1 2 plus 2, how many is come? 4. Okay, so answer is what come? 4682. Okay, answer is what coming, all students? 4682. 4682. Okay, so Mehta's family total they spent 4682. How much they spent? Mehta's family spent how much? 4682. You have to write this answer as like that. Okay, you have to make a box compulsory. Total they spent 4682. Understood? Now is your exercise number second E is finished. Okay, but I am starting here the exercise number second G directly. Why? You have a one doubt in your mind, because of we are not perform the exercise number second F, because of second E is not coming in our exam. Understood? So that's why I am directly starting the exercise number second G. Okay, so students, today let's start the exercise number second G. Okay, so question number is first what? Solving the using addition, subtraction problem. Okay, solving using addition subtraction problem with the help of the bar model. Bar model means a box. Okay, bar model means what? We have to make a two box and write the answer as like that. Okay, I am showing you in further slide. Okay, so students, here we are write the exercise number second G in your Fairbook. Okay, question number 1. Question number is 1 is what? Solving using addition subtraction problems with the help of bar model. Okay, you have write the instructions only in your Fairbook. Okay, so now let's move on question number 1. Okay, the question number 1 is what? A large bookstore need to keep 1500 copies means book of the dictionary in the stock. Okay, a large bookstore or bookshop, a large bookstore needs to keep 1500 copies of the dictionary in stock. How many needs? 1500. Okay, so now first of all read the whole question. Copies of the dictionary in the stock, and it presently has. Okay, how many presently is? 987 copies in the stock. Only it has only present 987, and how many they want to a shopkeeper, how many they want? 1500, but only present only it has he has how many? 987 copies. Okay, so how many more copies does it need to reach the number of dictionary it needs to have? Understood? One by one, step by step, we are following the all steps. Okay, so what is the first step here? Read the question and understand the read the problems and understand the questions. So I am already explaining you, but again I am explaining you. A large bookstore needs to keep 1500 copies of the dictionary in the stock. Okay, it presently has 119 copies in the stock. 119 copies in the stock. Okay, how many more copies does it need to reach the number of dictionary? Okay, dictionary it needs to have. Okay, so now students, I hope you understood. Shopkeeper or bookstore has 1500 copies, and it present has 987. So how many how many they want copies of dictionary to making a reach of the numbers dictionary need to have how many dictionary want of to make a 1500. So now let's solve here the answer. Okay, already we got the data. Okay, already we got the data. Understood, all students? So you have to write this question in homework. Okay, is this your homework and is this answer you have write in your Facebook? Directly students, question number 1, this question number 1, only question number 1 is what you have to write in homework. Okay, homework. On self you are solve this question. Okay, tomorrow, otherwise day after tomorrow, I'll give you the answer of first question because of it's your what homework. Anyhow, to you do this homework, try to solving this question. Okay, now let's move on the question number 2. Okay, question number 2 is exactly same, but what to do we have a decide. A Lego set came with a 325 piece. Okay, 325 piece. Kriti added some more piece from her previous Lego set to the new set, and she now has 402 piece in all. Okay, Lego set came with 325 pieces. Kriti added some more piece for her previous Lego set to the new set, and she now has a 402 piece in all. How many piece did she add to it? Okay, so first of all, what we are read the problems and understand the question. Okay, so Legos came with 325 pieces, and Kriti had some previous Lego. Okay, new set to the she now has. Okay, but he is not specifying. See how many she added. Okay, here only she write the what some more. Okay, so we have to that question we have find a sum, means how many we are finding in this sum, how many piece from her previous Lego set to the new set, and she now has a 402 piece. Okay, see now how many piece she has 402. So how many pieces did she added to it? We don't know. We are finding to this details. Okay, so now students, we find the details to this sum. So we find this detail to this sum. Okay, so we got the information came with a 325 piece. Okay, how many pieces came with the 325 pieces, and she has how many 402. How many 402? Okay students, this is your what here is two blocks 1 and 2, 402 325 77. What is this? It's your answer. It's your she has and a 325 plus how many 77. So answer is what 402. Okay, but we are do here the what minus 327 402 minus 327. Okay, so what to do? Not we are doing here addition, we are doing here the subtractions, because of 402 it already she has, and she came with the 325. So 402 minus 325. So let's check here the students. 402 minus 325. So answer is what coming here? We are check here. All students, now what answer is coming here? Let's check here. 402 minus 325. Okay, so now let's check here. Check here what answer is coming. So here subtraction we are doing. 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5. How many students 2 minus 5? 2 minus 5 is this not possible because of 2 number is a small and 5 is a high. It means biggest number. So I am taking here the borrow. 10 plus 2. So I am writing a 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5. So how many? 7. And further is 0. We are always cut the further digit. So I am cut the further digit. So cutting this digit 0. So 9. 9 minus 2. So 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. And then further cut the digit 4. 4 cut. And what I am putting here? 3. 3 minus 3. So what we are writing? 0. But I am not writing anything here because of no need to write the 0. Understood? Okay, this is your question number 2. Question number 1 is you have to solve in your book, rough book, and then you got the final answer, right answer. That's why that time you are writing in your fair book. Okay, otherwise tomorrow I'll teach you, otherwise day after tomorrow I'll teach you a question number 1. Now we are move on the question. Okay, how can we write one thief is a forget 7 Lego piece. Okay, 7 Lego pieces. Okay, now a question number 3. Question number 3 is what all students of a 1000 jigsaw puzzle Amrita has fitted a 807 piece. How many more pieces are needed to complete the puzzle? Okay, jigsaw puzzle is jigsaw is the name of any puzzle because of some Popos or some Mickey Mouse or some cartoons puzzles come. So that type of the jigsaw's puzzle is come and it's the 1000 pieces. So Amrita has fitted 807 pieces. So how many more pieces are needed to complete the puzzle? So how many more needed she want? Okay, so we are what do here? Subtraction because of 1000 minus 807. So now students, let's check here the 1000 minus 807. So now here check it. Okay, answer number C. Answer number C is what here? Answer number C is as like that. Answer number C is as like that. Answer number C is as like that. Jago's puzzle 100 piece and Amrita has fitted 807. Amrita has 807. Okay, so 1000 minus 807. Understood? So 0 minus 7. Is this possible? No. So I am taking here the borrow and then borrow 10 plus 0. So 10 also. 10 minus 7. So how many I am writing? 3. And further digit I am cutting 9. 9 minus 0. So 9. 9 minus 8. 1. And cut digit and the 0. 0 minus 0. It means 0. No need to write it. So Amrita want a 193 piece need to the complete. Understood all students? Now this is your exercise number second C. Question till question number C you have to write in your fair book. Okay, no need to write the question number 1, and day after tomorrow and tomorrow we are learn the further question number D, E, F or G. Okay, I hope you understood better. Thank you so much all of you.